Hey guys, it's me, CandyCat1960, and you're probably wondering why I'm out of breath. Well, I've been running around the house trying to get ready for a snowstorm that's lasting 2 days. Yeah, 2 days. So, yeah. I just made my bed. So, yeah, here it is. I like this cover. It's so soft. Even this, it's like a lamb's wool. But, yeah. My grandpa just left like 30 seconds ago to get food. He's getting 2 coffees for him and 2 coffees for my grandma. And then he's getting 2 donuts for me. One is glazed, and the other one is strawberry. So, yeah. I just stepped on something. So, yeah, I am so out of bed. I'm so tired because I just got back from school. I've been tired all day. All day. So, yeah. I do not know why I like pressing these buttons on this keyboard. It's just so fun. It feels good. It's a wireless keyboard. Rose gold. So, yeah. My room is a mess. I need a drink. I got my Snapple. So, yeah. Snapple later. My throat is so dry. Wow, this is so easy to open. So good. It's kiwi and strawberry. Kiwi strawberry. Actually, this is my first Snapple ever. Really good. So yeah. It's going to start snowing tonight. And then it's not going to stop until 2 days goes by, I think. I don't know how much snow we're supposed to get because I don't watch the news. Tastes so good. I'm going to stop drinking this now. But we got a lot of food in the fridge right now, I think. I'm going to go check. Carmen, you should probably get ready for the thing. Yeah, but we have a lot of food. Look how much food we have. Man, we're ready for this thing. Okay. We have like thousands of food in our fridge. So, yeah. Hold on. Make sure you go follow my Instagram, Snapchat, and Musical.ly. So, yeah. I'll put it in the description box below. So, yeah. Bye. Now it's still rolling. Oh, man.